As you're developing your rap skills and your rap style, one of the things that we're going after is we're trying to make something that sounds good. And one of the major methods of doing that in music is creating patterns. And so I like to think of this as like 3 Ps. Predictable patterns equals a payoff. And so the patterns is what allows some predictability about what you're doing and allows people to follow along with it and make sense of it. If there was no patterns in the music that you're listening to or in the rhymes or your rap flow or any of that, then it would just all be random and it would sound chaotic and people could not follow along and enjoy it. But here's the other side of that, and this is also what tends to something sounding good and being interesting, is constant changes equals curiosity. So while having patterns and predictability about what you're doing is important to follow along, if it becomes too predictable, then it can become boring. And so constant changes equals curiosity. So having curiosity and not being able to predict where an artist is going to go the first time you listen to something can keep you invested in it, and it can keep giving you new things, new patterns to follow along to, which makes it really sticky and interesting. Imagine a magician who just kept doing the same trick over and over and over again. The first time they do it, it was like, wow. And if you still didn't quite catch on to it, they might do it again just because they know it's new to you, and it still may be like, wow. But if they do it like 15 times, it's like, okay, I get it. Like, let's move on to something else. And if you want to level up your rap skills, grab the Rap Essentials bundle, which has 3 free rap courses packed with all the core lessons you need to perfect your craft. And the best part, it's 100% free. Just hit that link in my profile like it stole something from you to get instant access.
You hit me!